Hi, Hal. Welcome to the 10th video session of digital image processing, representation and description of model frame. The contents are boundary descriptors, length of a boundary, diameters, eccentricity, shape numbers, regional descriptors, sensitivity, topological descriptors, Euler number, texture descriptors, MCQs. Boundary descriptors. Boundary descriptors describe the boundary of a region using the feature of the boundary. Type of boundary descriptors are simple descriptors and Fourier descriptors. Some qualities which are used to describe the boundary of a region are shape number, statistical moments. Simple descriptors. Some of the simple descriptors used to describe a boundary are length, diameters, eccentricity, shape numbers. Length of a boundary. The number of pixels along a boundary give a rough approximation of its length. It is given by the number of pixels along the boundary for a chain coded curve which has unit spacing in both directions. Length is obtained by length is equal to number of horizontal and vertical components plus root 2 number of diagonal components. Diameter of a boundary B described as diameter of B is equal to maximum of D of Pi comma Pg, where D is equal to distance measure and Pi Pj are points on boundary B. Eccentricity, ratio of the major axis to minor axis. Major axis is defined as the line connecting the two extreme points that comprise the diameter. Minor axis, the line perpendicular to the major axis. So eccentricity is what? Ratio of major axis to minor axis is called eccentricity of a boundary. Statistical moments can be used to describe shape of a boundary segment. Shape numbers. Here in the diagram you can see a shapes of order 4, 6 and 8, and the dot indicates the starting point. The shape number of a boundary is defined as worst difference of smallest magnitude. The order n of a shape number is defined as the number of digits in its representation. So to find a shape number, the steps are: find a rectangle of order n, establish a grid size using this new rectangle, align a chain code direction for the resulting grid, obtain the chain code. First, find first difference and use it to complete the shape number. Example, shape number of orders 4 dot indicate the starting point. So chain code 0321, difference shape number. Order 6, chain code 003221, difference 303303, shape number 033033. For a shape number starting from minimum value and write an order here, all difference values are 3. So we have seen the steps in generation of a shape number, chain code, difference, and shape number. Regional descriptors. The regional descriptors are area, perimeter, compactness, topological descriptors, and texture. Sensitivity. Area is equal to the number of pixels in the region. Perimeter, length of its boundary. Compactness is equal to perimeter square by area. Topological descriptors. E is equal to C minus H. E is Euler number. C is number of connected region. H is number of holes. In the figure, a region with 2 holes. Another figure, you can see a region with 3 connected components. Euler number. Regions with Euler number equal to 0 and -1 respectively. A and B. Texture descriptors. The white square mark from left to right, smooth, coarse and regular textures. These are optical microscope images of superconductor, human cholesterol and a microprocessor. Texture measures for the subimages shown in the figure of previous figure, that is smooth, coarse and regular, that is 82.64 mean, standard deviation 11.79, normalized 0.002, third movement minus 0.105, uniformity 0.026, and entropy 5.434. Course is 143.56 mean, 74.63 standard deviation, normalized 0.079, third movement minus 0.151, uniformity 0.005, entropy 7.783, regular 99.72 mean, standard deviation 33.73, normalized R is 0.017, third moment 0.750, uniformity 0.013, entropy 6.674. So now we will go for multiple choice questions. The following are boundary descriptors: length of a boundary and diameters, eccentricity and shape numbers, both A and B, none of the above. The answer is both A and B, that is C, length of a boundary and diameters, eccentricity and shape numbers. The diameter is given by the ratio of diameter is given by B, described as diameter of B is equal to max of D comma Pi comma Pj, where D is a distance measure and Pi comma Pj are points on boundary. True or false? The answer is true. The ratio of the major to the minor axis is defined by the word diameter, length, eccentricity, none of the above. So what is the answer? C, eccentricity. In eccentricity, major axis is the line connecting two extreme points that comprise the diameter. The true or false? The answer is true. Regional descriptors are area, perimeter and compactness, topological descriptors and texture, all the above. The answer is D, all the above. Compactness of a sensitivity is given by the formula compactness is equal to perimeter square by area. True or false? The answer is it is true. In topological descriptors, E is equal to C minus H. E is edge, Euler, only edge, only Euler. The answer is B, Euler. Thank you. We will stop the session here.